I was in the mood for some veggies, and then I remembered Pakora's a thing, so I made mine with carrot, pepper, onion, and spinach. This carrot's a little fat, and I'm kinda lazy right now, so I'm just gonna use my vegetable peeler instead of julienning them. You know, I've never used one on a pepper before. It like works, but it doesn't work, so I'm just gonna cut this off camera. Combine all the veggies into a bowl so I can salt them, just to season them up a little bit and to help bring out some of the moisture. Now onto the batter. I'm gonna use chickpea flour, a little salt, pepper, fenugreek, paprika, turmeric, coriander. I've done this without water, and I'm not sure which way I like better yet, but I'm sure there's plenty of Pakora pros, so DM or leave a comment on the best way to go about this. And I already realized I put way too many veggies, but I'm about to leave town, so I gotta eat them all. We're gonna fry it in a skillet for about 5 minutes on each side, and then drain them on a paper towel. A higher batter to veggie ratio would give a much better crisp. I don't know how well this would work in the air fryer, so if anyone out there wants to stitch or duet this and try it, let me know. And follow if you want some other healthy recipes.